Subscribe to TechMT by clicking the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get all my latest awesome tech video updates.
Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechMT. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of removing cache or junk to clean your Windows 10 computer. I suggest you to take the backup of all important files like game related files or game saved data, etc. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Firstly, let's delete the Windows Update data. To do that, open C drive, then Windows, then Software Distribution, and here choose Download. We have around 1 GB of Windows Update data and we don't need it. If the system needs any file, it will be downloaded again, so no issues. Let me delete everything here in this Downloads folder to remove junk files to clean the Windows 10 computer. So now the second one. Let's delete the temporary and prefetch files. To do that, open Run by right-clicking on the Windows icon and here choose Run. In here, type %temp % and choose OK. Now you'll see all the temporary files and delete them all by saving any of the work that you are currently doing with any of the applications. Again, open Run by right-clicking on the Windows icon and now just type temp. This is the another location where the temp files are stored. Just delete them all to clean up the temp location. Now we are going to delete the prefetch files. To do that, open Run dialog box by typing Windows plus R keys together and type prefetch. Select all the files and folders here, then proceed to delete them. This is how you remove junk files to clean your Windows 10 computer. Now, the third one. If you have any issues with the Windows Store, then just do this thing without changing account settings or deleting installed apps. By opening the Run dialog box, type WS reset and hit OK. Now you'll see the command prompt with a blank screen. You need to wait for a few seconds to complete the reset process. Once done, you'll get the Windows Store on the console. Fourth one is clearing the browsing history of Microsoft Edge and Chrome as I have them. You can try clearing the browsing history of all the browsers that you have. So now going with Edge browser, open it and choose these three dots right here and choose Settings. Now at the center, click on Choose what to clear under Clear Browsing Data. Tick what you want to delete and choose Clear. Alternatively, you can opt to always clear this when I close the browser option if you wish to clear browsing data regularly to remove junk files to clean your Windows 10 computer. If you are using Chrome browser, do these steps to delete the browsing history. Open Chrome and choose these three dots to expand the available options. From the menu, choose More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. You will get a window with basic options. Navigate to Advanced tab and choose the time range, what things you would like to clear, etc. and click on Clear Data. That's it. Fifth one is to clear the DNS cache. If you have any internet connectivity issues, you can run this command to flush the DNS cache. To do that, search for CMD and right-click on it to run the command prompt as an administrator. Now here type the following command: ipconfig/flush DNS and it will instantly clear the DNS cache for you. Sixth one is to clean up the disk. To do this, search for disk cleanup and open it. Choose the disk you would like to clean up and here I am choosing the C drive. Now choose the files that you would like to clean up and select OK. It will then clean up the junk files that are in C drive. Seventh one is to free up the space using Restore Point. To do that, search for Restore Point and then open it. Once you have the System Restore Point window, choose the C drive and choose Configure to look for the space that was occupied at Restore Point. Now I have around 2 gigs here and you just need to delete it by choosing Delete and press OK. Now create a new restore point and name it as you like. I'm here naming it as Restore and it will take less space now. This is how you can remove cache or junk files to clean your Windows 10 computer manually without using any software.
That's it for this quick video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Your contribution is more to us. This is Praveen signing off. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.